One cannot expect triumph over the unknown to simply arrive by epiphany. Instead, it is acquired with an unquenchable curiosity and an unconventional audacity in striving towards progress. The greatest tool nature ever came up with sits atop to the very shoulders of the most complex carbon structures to ever grace this earth. We, humans, are our own mystery, and by striving to learn more about life, matter, the fundamentals in our surroundings, we uncover and we decipher the enigma that we are, little by little, and each day. I'm Irish Coleman.
I am Majay S. Bernales, and we are the researchers from Batasan Hills National High School in Quezon City, Philippines. Yes, you heard it right. Quezon City is located in the Philippines. Actually, it is the most populous city in the country with a population of over 2.9 million according to the last national census. Quezon City was designated as a city in 1939. Just 40 years later, it was designated as a highly urbanized city.
We used well-defined methods to gather and to seek information for the knowledge development in the field of science. Survey questionnaire for the residents, one-on-one interview with the health sanitation officer in charge, and of course, the utilization of Globe Mosquito Habitat Mapper through the Globe Observer app.
We've gathered information on 20 different barangays of Quezon City. So here's the list of barangay that we've visited and included to our study. First, Barangay Payatas, Barangay Commonwealth, Barangay Batasan Hills, Barangay Holy Spirit, Barangay San Agustin, Barangay Capri, Barangay Bangbang, Barangay Nagkaisang Nayon, Barangay Iscamias, Barangay Sikatuna Village, Barangay Quirino 3A, Barangay Quirino 2A, Barangay San Bartolome, Barangay Cruz Nalikas, Barangay Pinyahan, Barangay Quirino 2B, Barangay Bagong Silangan, Barangay Sauyo, Barangay Talipapa, and lastly, Barangay Tandang Sora. So after interviewing barangay or health officials, the researchers will gather a water sample from the breeding place of mosquito in each barangay for the larvae identification.